By now, most of us know manifestation, and for those who don't know yet, manifestation is the practice of bringing your desires and goals into reality through focused thoughts, beliefs, and actions. It's about aligning your mindset, emotions, and behaviors with your intended outcome. The core principle behind manifestation is the law of attraction, which suggests that like attracts like. Positive thoughts and feelings attract positive experiences, while negative thoughts can lead to undesirable results. By directing your focus and energy towards what you want to achieve, you create a powerful force that shapes your reality. To make your desires a reality, understanding and applying some key principles is crucial. Let's break them down in more detail. First, set clear intentions. Knowing exactly what you want and why it matters to you is fundamental. This clarity sends a strong signal to the universe about your goals. Be specific in your intentions. Instead of saying, "I want to be successful," specify what success looks like to you. Is it achieving a certain position at work, starting your own business, or something else? The more precise you are, the better the universe can understand and respond to your desires. Next, visualization is essential. Picture your goals vividly in your mind, as if they have already happened. Engage all your senses in this process. See the vibrant colors, hear the sounds, smell the aromas, and feel the textures associated with your success. This sensory engagement makes the visualization more real and powerful. For instance, if you're manifesting a new house, imagine walking through each room, feeling the floors under your feet, hearing the echoes in the hallways, and smelling the fresh paint. This immersive experience creates a stronger connection to your desires. Belief is another cornerstone. You must truly believe in your ability to manifest your desires. Trust that the universe will support you and let go of any self-doubt. This belief is what fuels your manifestation journey. It's not just about thinking positively, it's about internalizing the certainty that your goals are achievable. Affirmations can help solidify this belief. Repeat statements like, "I am capable of achieving my dreams," or "The universe is working in my favor," to reinforce your faith in the process. However, belief alone isn't enough. You have to take inspired action. This means listening to your intuition and acting on it. When you feel a nudge to do something, do it. Inspired action is about moving in alignment with your desires. It's not about forced effort, but about taking steps that feel right and guided. For example, if you're looking to advance in your career, this might mean attending a networking event where you feel compelled to go, even if it's outside your comfort zone. This shows the universe you're serious about your goals and ready to make them happen. Lastly, and maybe this is most important part of the whole process, practice gratitude. Being thankful for what you have and for what you are manifesting keeps your energy positive. This gratitude attracts even more of what you desire into your life. Start and end your day with gratitude. Reflect on what you're thankful for, whether it's the small joys or the big milestones. Gratitude journals can be a great tool here. Write down at least 3 things you're grateful for each day. This practice not only raises your vibration, but also keeps you focused on the positive aspects of your journey. By integrating these principles, setting clear intentions, visualizing your goals, believing in your potential, taking inspired action, and practicing gratitude, you align yourself with the universe's flow, creating a powerful magnet for your desires. This alignment is key to ensuring that your manifestations come to fruition. One of the most common mistakes people make in money manifestation is having vague or unclear intentions. Without specific goals, the energy you send out is unfocused, which can result in inconsistent or unintended outcomes. Another pitfall is harboring limiting beliefs about money. These might include thoughts like, "I don't deserve to be wealthy," or "money is hard to come by." Such beliefs create mental and emotional blocks that can sabotage your manifestation efforts. When crafting affirmations, personalizing them can make them even more powerful and impactful. By adding your unique touch and perspective, you create a deeper connection with the words, allowing your brain to truly internalize and believe them. For example, consider the affirmation, "Isn't it wonderful to be surrounded by love?" This statement is already quite positive and uplifting. However, you can make it even more personal by saying, "Isn't it wonderful how love surrounds me every day?" Or, "Isn't it wonderful that I am loved and supported by those around me?" Another example could be, "Isn't it wonderful how joy finds me?" This affirmation focuses on the idea that joy is actively seeking you out. You can personalize it further by saying, "Isn't it wonderful that I am a magnet for joy and happiness?" Or, "Isn't it wonderful that I choose to see the joy in every moment?" When it comes to financial abundance, you could say, "Isn't it wonderful how money flows to me effortlessly?" This affirmation acknowledges the ease with which money can come into your life. You can personalize it by saying, "Isn't it wonderful that I am a money magnet?" Or, "Isn't it wonderful that I am worthy of financial prosperity?" Finally, for personal growth, you could affirm, "Isn't it amazing to grow wiser each day?" This statement highlights the continuous process of learning and evolution. You can personalize it by saying, "Isn't it amazing that I am open to new experiences and lessons?" Or, "Isn't it amazing that I am becoming the best version of myself?" Remember, the key is to find affirmations that resonate with you and your unique journey. Personalize them in a way that feels authentic and empowering. As you repeat these affirmations, your brain will start to believe them, and you'll begin to see positive changes in your life. I'd love to hear your personalized affirmations. Please share your "Isn't it amazing" statements or any other affirmations that you find inspiring and uplifting. Your positive energy and insights are valuable, and I eagerly await reading your comments. To track the progress of your financial manifestations, start by setting clear, measurable goals. Break these goals down into smaller, actionable steps and create a timeline for achieving them. Regularly review your progress and adjust your strategies as needed. Journaling is a useful tool for this purpose. Write down your goals, the actions you've taken, and any signs or synchronicities you observe. Celebrate small milestones along the way to maintain motivation and keep your energy positive. If your financial manifestations aren't materializing as expected, it's important not to get discouraged. First, reevaluate your intentions. Are they specific and clear? Next, check for any lingering doubts or limiting beliefs that might be hindering your progress. Engage in positive affirmations to counteract these thoughts. Also, ensure that your actions are aligned with your intentions. Manifestation requires both mental focus and physical effort. If necessary, tweak your action plan and stay patient. Remember, manifestation is often a gradual process. While manifestation is a powerful tool, there are limitations to what one can manifest financially. You cannot manifest something that contradicts your core values or harms others. Additionally, external factors beyond your control, such as market conditions or other people's free will, can influence outcomes. It's essential to focus on what you can control: your thoughts, emotions, and actions. Respect the boundaries of others and the natural flow of the universe. The law of attraction is the underlying principle in the techniques discussed in this video. It states that like attracts like. Your thoughts, feelings, and beliefs create your reality. When you align your energy with your desired financial outcomes, you activate the law of attraction. Techniques like visualization, affirmations, and inspired action help you focus your energy on attracting financial abundance. By maintaining a positive mindset and unwavering faith, you create a powerful magnet for money and financial success. Applying manifestation techniques to personal goals starts with setting clear and precise intentions. Let's take financial stability as an example. Instead of vaguely wishing for more money, specify the exact amount you want to manifest, such as an additional $10,000 within the next 6 months. Visualize this amount in your bank account and vividly imagine how it feels to achieve this goal. Feel the joy, relief, and excitement as if it has already happened. This emotional alignment is crucial as it directly influences your energy and your ability to attract what you desire. The emotional component can't be overstated. When you genuinely feel the emotions associated with your goals, you send a powerful signal to the universe. This alignment of thoughts, emotions, and beliefs creates a magnetic field around your intentions, drawing them closer to you. Regularly practicing this visualization and emotional alignment makes your intentions more potent and effective. When comparing these manifestation techniques to other methods, you'll notice a significant emphasis on clarity, belief, and inspired action. Many traditional methods might focus solely on positive thinking or repeating affirmations. While these are important, they are often not enough on their own. This approach integrates actionable steps and emotional engagement, making it a more holistic and practical method. This comprehensive strategy ensures that you are not just passively wishing for your goals, but actively working towards them. The combination of mental focus, emotional alignment, and concrete actions creates a robust framework for manifestation. It bridges the gap between wanting something and actually making it happen. Everyone wants quick results, and while manifestation isn't instantaneous, there are ways to speed up the process. Consistency is key. By maintaining a regular practice of visualization, affirmations, and gratitude, you keep your energy aligned with your goals. Daily repetition of these practices reinforces your intentions and keeps your focus sharp. Setting short-term milestones is another effective strategy. These smaller goals serve as stepping stones towards your larger objective, providing quick wins that keep you motivated. For instance, if your goal is to save $40,000, break it down into smaller monthly or weekly savings targets. Celebrate each milestone as you reach it, reinforcing your belief in your ability to achieve the larger goal. Trust and faith are the backbone of the manifestation process. Believing in your ability to manifest your desires and trusting that the universe will support you are pivotal. This belief helps you overcome self-doubt and dispels any limiting beliefs that might hold you back. When you have faith, you become more open to opportunities and synchronicities that align with your goals. Trust that the universe is working behind the scenes to bring your desires to fruition. This mindset helps you stay patient and persistent, even when progress seems slow. Remember, manifestation is often a gradual process. Maintaining trust and faith ensures that you stay committed to your goals, regardless of the challenges you might face. And there you have it, the powerful secrets to guaranteed manifestation. By setting clear intentions, aligning your emotions, taking inspired action, and maintaining unwavering trust, you can turn your dreams into reality. Remember, your thoughts create your world. So, think positively, act purposefully, and believe wholeheartedly. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights on manifesting the life you desire. Keep manifesting and watch your life transform. Until next time, stay inspired and keep creating your dream reality. See you in the next video.